name is 𝐂𝐡𝐞 𝐑𝐞𝐿. I am the director of Liga Powerhoops. I'm involved with the operations for the league, particularly for Inter-BPO, Inter-Company, and Inter-Barangay. Liga Powerhoops started before pandemic. So we've been running the show for local leagues and sports fests, particularly for Clark and BPOs. Aside from the basketball, nag-commentate rin kami ng volleyball, badminton, pickleball, and we are in partnership also with Run and Beyond for running as well. This has been, a dream for Liga Powerhoops. Siyempre yung passion namin, it's more on sports. Ang gusto namin is magkaroon ng good facilities yung mga inter-companies natin, especially yung mga inter-barangays natin. So, this is actually a dream come true for us. Wide parking, spacious parking, and at the same time, very spacious yung natin, standard yung court natin when it comes to basketball and volleyball. Actually, welcome naman lahat 24/7 gym, so anytime na gusto nyo maglaro, 12 midnight onwards, open po kami.
My name is Arnel Bansil, isa akong architect contractor. Congratulations sa Inter-BPO Season 5. So, nandito tayo sa Rise of Apple. So, salamat sa pagpunta at napili nyo itong Rise of Apple bilang isang venue. Expect natin maganda itong paligan na ito since may maraming mga bagong players. So, maraming magagaling na mga Kapampangan, especially dito tayo sa Pampanga. So, yun, expect natin na mapapaganda itong laro na ito. Sa lahat ng mga Kapampangan, mahilig sa mga larong ganito, tulad ng basketball and volleyball, you are welcome to enjoy. So, ni-invite namin kayo na pumunta rito para masubukan itong gym namin.
You can actually reach us through our Liga Powerhoops page. That's our main page. And Rise Above All Athletic Gym, yung pong page namin. Doon po namin i-entertain yung mga bookings namin and at the same time yung mga reservations po. Let's be competitive, but at the same time, let's build friendship as well. We can be physical, but at the end of the tournament or the game, mga friends pa rin tayo. Isang circle lang tayo sa BPO.